Alright, so here we have a sewing craft shop. We've got buttons and notions and little pieces of sequins in all different sorts of colors. And material for making traditional Cambodian ceremony clothes and wedding clothes. And this looks like a sewing repair shop. Look at all those sewing machines. There's a brother sewing machine. Yamata, that looks like a thread puller. Just rows upon rows of sewing machines. And of course, amongst the new machines, there's always going to be an old machine. And it used to come as part of one of these, a foot treadle sewing machine. The actual machine has been pulled off of the table.
This my aunt, the one who made clothes for you, she used this.
Yeah,
one.
It's an old singer.
This one is the old one, right? This one is the modern one.
One of our close family friends that used to be a neighbor when I was a child, she owned a sewing shop. She closed it before I came back to Cambodia. Just too much work, so
I like something like that.
And she wanted to retire and spend time at home. My grandmother used to sew also, my dad's mother. She used to do a lot of crafts. Baskets.
At this time of the day, market it seems like not
As
active,
busy because it's hot.
and most of the sellers are going back. Hello.
And here we are, the wall of wedding clothes. Any color, any style, any design. Cambodia is stuck in the 60s and 70s. This is where women come to go buy their fashionable party outfits. Here's some examples of what the traditional wedding dress might look like. These are some really beautiful fabrics. This purple one is a really small pattern, ICAT design. This is just a solid red with a little bit of silver thread at the bottom. It's another batik or ICAT design. And this green one is a striped pattern. Very beautiful. There's the detail of the pattern. Very subtle pattern. And the hem in silver. That's really pretty. This one's more multicolored. And the green stripe is really nice. Green is the color for Thursday, I think. Here are some more examples of some beautiful silk skirts and their shirts that go with them. I'm liking the skin-colored one right here. That is just a really beautiful pattern. And you have a more traditional pattern here in the dark orange and black, and this green and gold color, and then just a solid color red, and then there's this beautiful striped blue skirt. You can see the subtle shading in the striping colors, really light pink and a sky blue. Women are actually sitting here sewing. You can come, pick out your fabric, pick out your style, and then they sew it right here in the market for you. There's lots of these places. And here's someone being sized. That's a beautiful shirt. So here we are out in one of the other main aisles. We have a house skirt. Hello! Silk flower shop, because everybody likes silk flowers.